What's up today, guys? We are coming to you here from beautiful Shuswap region of British Columbia, from a town called Magna Bay. It's actually more like a village, nice beachfront village, and we're awaiting our check-in at a wonderful Airbnb that's completely unique. We're stopped here at Ross Creek Community Park for a bit while we wait, and it's beautiful here. Views of Copper Island way off in the distance there. And a peaceful location. Really tranquil. Gotta love Shuswap Lake. Always nice and clear water. It's a little bit gloomy today though. Still a nice temperature. So we're here at our Airbnb. We've checked in. Wait till you see this place. It is the coolest thing ever. Here it is. It's called the Shuswap Shire. We've got the Honey Hollow. It's a big property here. You've got trails, you've got gardens, you've got places to hang out. Truly amazing. But let's go take a look inside this place. Venus is all caped up. It's very cool. They've got things you can wear and stuff if you want to do a photo op. And the hallways are all rounded. So right away, we've got the little living room here. Cozy little place. So neat. You've got a fireplace. It's actually heating up in here. We're gonna turn that off in a minute. But for the effect, it's nice. And all the little decorations are amazing. You've got Hobbit books. Somehow there's a TV back there. I don't really know how to open it yet, but I will look at it later. Oh yeah, Gandalf's magic fire starter. Free to use if you wish to have a fire in the one ring fire pit outside. Made with love in the Shuswap Shire. I would like to figure out how to... Oh, I think it swings open like this. Can you do it? Oh, there you go. See, there's a TV. And they've got all the
and popcorn.
Lord of the Rings movies. So cool. So that's what we're doing tonight. And popcorn, yeah. You said that already, I think.
Yeah.
They've even got a pipe.
Right, pipe.
They've got a pipe and it is real tobacco. I'd like to try it. It smells good. So there you have it. There's the TV. Let's go check out the rest of this wonderful place. This is so cool. You got a bow. No arrows though, so can't shoot anybody. They got walking sticks. Everything is so cool. Look at this little kitchen. They left us a bottle of wine. Shuswap Shire, Gaffers and Grapes. Gaffers Grapes. Tag that and follow us on social media. That is so brilliant. Smart marketing right there.
That's so cool.
Oh man.
Cheese.
So cool. Recipes from the world of Tolkien. What?
Oh wow.
A recipe book. Got your cooktop, microwave. Just the aesthetic here. So neat. Organic herbal tea. We'll have to have some of that later. They've got coffee. They've got sugars and coffee mates and all that stuff. So let's go look at the bathroom. The bathroom too, they've got little things you can wear, like a vest, like a Hobbit vest.
Oh my goodness.
If you're into cosplay or whatever, you can definitely have a lot of fun here. They got the belt. Wow. And they've even got like a crown. So if you really want to dress up, you know.
What's that for? Chocolate?
Aromatherapy mist. We gotta try some of this week. Oh, that is nice. Here.
Like after 8.
It reminds me, yeah, it reminds me of Christmas. I guess that's why it's called Krampus, I think.
Look at the cute thing.
That's awesome. The vanity is kind of like...
They have ears.
Why? You can put on ears? That's cool. They've got Epsom salts here, so if you want to take a bath, we definitely will take a bath with Epsom salts.
Obviously.
And even just the shampoo is in these cool bottles. Bubble bath. This must have been fun. to like create, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
They got a Hobbit book you can read while you're taking a bath. Okay, let's go take a look at the bedroom. Map of the Shire. And in here, we noticed they have games. You got Yahtzee there, and I'm not sure what those other games are. But if you want to play games. And look at the detail in these doors. I don't know how they got those made. That is so cool. All right, here's the bedroom. Nice queen size bed, I believe. And look at all the books. This library is so neat. So plenty of books to read here. If you just want to relax on the property for a few days and read and just unwind and disconnect, totally can do that. The yard out there is so private. They've got like books you can sign, so they want guests to sign, I guess. Look at these guest books, they're so cool. And I wonder what these maps are and stuff. They have stuff written on them. They do too. So we'll take a tour around the property in a bit here. If you want to rent the Hobbit house here in Magna Bay, I'll put a link in the description. It's on Airbnb, you can rent it there. We're gonna see what Magna Bay has to offer. The beaches, the hiking trails, and most importantly, the Shuswap Shire. All right, so we're down here at the garden. It's called Gilbert's Garden. They have a scarecrow out here. And they've got stuff started here, pumpkins, corn. So obviously in the fall, this would look so cool. And you've got sunflower, Swiss chard, spinach, lettuce, carrots, peas, radish, onion, and tomato. They got the fence to keep the deers out. That's cool. Salvaged wood, it looks like. And then over here, you got chives, cilantro, parsley, oregano. That's awesome. So if you need a little sprig or two, come down to the garden and grab some without getting greedy. And then you've got potatoes, parsnips, cucumbers, and zucchinis. That is pretty cool. And over here you've got your barbecue area. And we're about to cook some steak and try this bottle of wine that they gave us. Thank you so much to the host, that's awesome. And over here it looks like they got raspberries growing. I did see some blackberries up across the way. These do look like raspberries, but yeah, I think there's blackberries over there. They've even got a little pond here. Little pond. No fish in it though or nothing, but it's cool. And yeah, really a cool vibe around here. I noticed they have a cedar shed. This is the company I work for. Cedar Shed, that is a rancher. Cedar Shed Rancher 8x8? That's an 8x8, I think. Lovely. Oh, it looks like they've got raspberries all over the place over here. These might be just wild raspberries. Pretty common around the shoe shop. Yeah, I think those are probably wild, but they might have planted them, who knows. But they're all over there. This looks like a apple tree? Yeah, it is an apple tree, I think. Really cool bird feeder there. Spruce and birch. Oh, they got firewood. Awesome. Yeah, blackberry bush there. I might have planted that. We've got the old forest road, so maybe there's a little bit of a hike there to be done. Here's the private fire pit. All right, Casey's doing cosplay.
It's fun.
No, it is very cool that you can do that, for sure.
It's like Halloween.
Yep. Halloween here would be so sick. But we're just enjoying some of this Shuswap Shire wine. Really good, actually, yeah. Good white.
It's light.
Got some ribs going on there. It's really quite something though, having your own like acreage here, and you're just, yeah, absolute peace and quiet. And I'd love to see that creek down there. I can hear it from here. All right, we're pouring an Epsom salt bath here. It's gonna be nice. All right, the tub is poured and Casey is hogging it all to herself. Look at that. I don't even want to interrupt her.
No.
Look how comfortable she is in there.
It's so nice.
So we're just all comfy here. The Lord of the Rings, Fellowship of the Ring, the very first one. There's nothing like sitting in a Hobbit house watching a Hobbit movie. It's pretty darn fitting. Love these movies. Hello, good morning here from the Shuswap Shire. Had a wonderful sleep last night. Woke up, went to the coffee shop downtown at Scotch Creek called the Raven. Now we're gonna go down and check out this this creek hike on the property. Okay, so we're headed down the trail here. You just gotta follow the blue ribbons. So they're just kind of starting a trail here. It's not the greatest of trails yet, but they've got the ribbons there to let you know where to go. And the more people come down here, the better the trail will get, I'm sure. Wow, that's beautiful. They got a bridge there. Cool. Really mossy and green down here, you can see. This is really a vibe down here. It's so neat. All right, so you kind of come to the end of the trail here now, and probably someone else's property is over that way. What a relaxing spot. Truly. What's up, guys? It's our second day here in Magna Bay, and we're gonna do a hike over here called Onyx Falls, and it's way out here in the middle of nowhere, 15 minutes from our accommodation, the Shuswap Shire. And yeah, this is a 3.5 kilometer hike down to a beautiful waterfall. It's actually a pretty well-traveled path. Kind of expected it to be bushwhacking, but obviously a lot of people come out here. I can hear the sound of the water now. Not sure if that's the falls. It is 3.5 kilometers, like I said. Huge pile of bear crap. Look at that. 3 big piles of bear poo along the way so far. So definitely a trail that's being used by bears often. So we're hoping we don't come across one. We need some bear spray. So we came to a fork in the trail and we headed left because there was ribbon markers, and I can hear the falls now. Okay, so we just passed a couple on the way back up, and they said it is a bit sketchy. Right now there's like a bridge, but we'll see when we get there. They said they chickened out and left. All right, so you can see it's really green down here. More like a microclimate because of all the moisture. We're almost to the bottom here. You can see there's like a flat spot. The creek's rushing through there. We're wondering where the falls is now. Several trails. There's a what? Oh, okay. So follow the ribbon. All right, here's the spot where the other people said they chickened out. I don't think we're gonna chicken out. We're gonna do it with no hands. Safe and sound. Lots of fire damage here in this forest from when they had the big Shuswap Fire a couple years back. All right, we got a glimpse of the falls. It's gushing. A couple of swallowtail butterflies. Beautiful. All right, there it is, Onyx Falls. Quite powerful at this time of year. Let's go see if we can get a little closer. This is about as far as we can get. Right now anyways. In the summer you can go swim in there. So maybe we'll come back in the summer sometime. We decided to come down for a sunset at the last minute. Down to Ross Creek Park here, and we're just walking along the beach. Fantastic weather here. It rained most of the day. Well, it was on and off. The water is crystal clear. It's peaceful. Just a couple other people around on the beach. Lovely. All right, we're out here at night. This is what the Shuswap Shire looks like at night. We've got lanterns all around. So they have this really cool sign here. It says, I think it says like welcome to the Shire up there. And you can barely see it down here. It's kind of like a little hidden gem. And at night it looks even cooler. And you have the garden really well lit up here. You can sit and have a romantic evening. Have some wine over there at the table. Although it is a bit cold this time of year at night. So, you know, August, July, no problem. You could sit out here at night. What's up today, guys? It is our second morning here in Magna Bay. And as you can see, this day shaped up quite nicely. Blue sky everywhere, a little bit of cloud, but can't complain. And we're down here at Ross Creek again, because this beach is just literally like 3 minutes away from the Shire. So, and there is another park as well called Magna, I think it's called Magna Bay Community Park. That's one of the other attractions here. Casey's going swimming. What'd you say?
I thought you were going swimming.
Look at her just lounging back. Wow, so relaxed.
Mm-hmm.
I'm zooming in 6.
Not my armpit.
Just look at how glassy that water is. Shuswap Lake is so beautiful. We've got no wind today at all. All right, so we're just having a fire while we still can. I'm sure there's gonna be a fire ban sometime soon, but we've got some marshmallows. Casey's caped up like a real Hobbit. Oh no, elf.
Yeah.
And also the hosts have said that you can gather wood from the forest. So that's pretty cool. And there's tons of it. There's 9 acres. So, and you can also buy proper wood over there at their little stand there. But we managed to gather enough decent wood from the forest, and we're not gonna be out here that long anyway, so just enough to cook a few marshmallows. You can see the sun peeking through the trees.